Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix E not opening launching. Chapter 1. How to fix E not opening launching running as administrator. To start, enter EA in the search box. You will click on Run as Administrator, click Yes, and wait for the application to open without error. Chapter 2. How to fix E not opening launching open from start. You will start by clicking on the Start menu. Here, click on All Apps, then display the E folder options. Click on App Recovery. In this window, click on the Clear Cache option. After this, wait for the app to open without error. Chapter 3. How to fix E not opening launching reinstalling the app. To start, enter EA in the search box, click Uninstall. The configuration utility will open. Click on the application's context menu and select Uninstall. Confirm this again. Click Yes to authorize. In the wizard, click Uninstall and wait for this process to finish. After this, go to the link that we leave you in the video description. Click on Download the EA app. Wait for the file to download. Click on the file and click Run. After that, click on Let's Go, click on Yes to confirm, and now wait for the EA application to install. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When finished, log into Access. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.